Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. I'm going to show you how to prune pepper plants. The only equipment you're going to need for pruning back your pepper plant is going to be a good pair of sharp shears. The next step with pruning of a pepper plant would be, of course, your good shears. You're going to cut off any diseased-looking leaves, if there's any spotting in the leaves, which is probably a fungus, or if the leaf has been eaten by an insect, you're going to go in and trim that off. Remember, if it's a dead tissue, it's not doing the plant any good, and it should be removed. But in general, we're not trimming back a pepper plant any more than where we just need to kind of get rid of the bad-looking material. Now, when you get ready to trim back a diseased-looking leaf, come in and, of course, take it close to the main stem and just trim it off. Now, with leaves, of course, that have been either have fungus spots on them or they've been chewed, if the leaf isn't healthy, of course, it has to be removed from the plant. So you want to go ahead and make a nice clean cut as close as you can to the main stem. And in conclusion, you may just want a good sharp pair of shears or a good sharp knife to prune back your pepper plants. I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.